Hello everyone. In this particular video, we will be learning and visualizing stack. What is a stack? Stack is a linear data structure where everything is pushed from the top. Suppose you have several books together. So let's say there is a book here. Above it, there is something else. So we keep putting things above it. So this can visually explain, like there are three different objects. Like these objects are different. This is a box and this is a laptop. What I'm trying to explain is everything is pushed over the top. And if you want to remove it, you remove it from the top. So this kind of arrangement where something is put over the top of it and removed from the top, we call it stack. So this is last in and first out. This is what we call as stack. So we are going to understand that particular concept. So in Python, we have inbuilt created a stack. So let's understand that. We have declared a stack frame, and in a global frame we have declared a stack which is an empty kind of a list. We append 10. When we append 10, this is how 10 is added, then 20 is appended, and then 30 is appended. 30 is present on the top, 10 is at the bottom. Now if I want to remove from the top, so 30 will be removed. You can check that the top becomes 30. So the popped element which is printed now on the screen is 30. You can see that 30 will be printed on the console. Like stack after pushes look like this, and the popped element is 30. Now the stack looks like 10 and 20. So let's run that line. If you see, this is how the stack looks like now. After this, so how it is working, this is a simple statement, and this is how we are printing that particular stack. This is how the stack is getting printed. So you can directly print stack by writing the reference variable of it. It will print the overall stack like this. After that, we are trying to print the peak element. The peak element will be 20 here. And we will check whether the stack is empty or not. So using length variable, we can check whether the stack is empty or not. So since it is not empty, it will print false. Let's check that. So yeah. And when the last line is executed, it prints the size of it. The size is 2. Peak element never removes anything. It just get you something from the top. Pop removes it from the top. So you put something on the top, you remove it from the top. This is what we call stack. This is how we declare stack in Python. And these are the push operations. After that, this is a print statement. There in the double quotes, you write the string characters, whatever you are trying to print some sort of a statement. And then you print the particular stack. So using the stack variable, it will be printed. When you do top is equal to stack.pop, it will remove the top element from the stack. And that's it. So this was a small introduction to stack. That's it for this particular video. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.